In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create your Facebook pixel and set it up in 2024. After the iOS update, a lot of things changed with Facebook ad. So you need to be able to insert your Facebook pixel the right way so that Facebook can track what is happening on your website. Let me explain what a Facebook pixel is. It's simply a piece of code that you insert on your website from Facebook so that you can give Facebook the opportunity to know what is happening on your website when people click on your advert. So Facebook pixel helps you to know people have clicked on your advert, but how many of them went to your website and purchased your product? How many of them went to your website and became a lead? How many times are they spending? How many of them landed on your website? Facebook pixel helps you to know exactly how you can track all of these things. And for you to install your Facebook pixel, first of all, you need to have a Facebook pixel. So you need to create it before you now install it. For you to create your Facebook pixel is so easy. Just open your Facebook ad account and go to Ad Manager. If you don't know how to locate Ad Manager, simply go to facebook.com/ads manager and you will see this particular screen that is showing now. So click on All Tools. Just come down and click on All Tools. Click on Event Manager. Now, once you click on Event Manager, there is something I want to explain. You know, I told you after the iOS update, a lot of things happen. Before, for every Facebook account, once you go to add an Event Manager, you'll be able to create your Facebook pixel. But some of the accounts right now is no longer like that. So once you come to Event Manager, come to this Connect Data Source. You're supposed to create your Facebook pixel here, but after what happened with iOS, it has been given an issue. So you probably is going to encounter this kind of issue, but I will show you what to do. So you know, if you cannot create your Facebook pixel from Event Manager, simply go back to your Ad Manager. So go to this Ad Manager. Once you go to Ad Manager, try to create an advert. I will show you how to do this right now. So once you go to your Ad Manager, you click on Create. Yeah, because on your own Ad Manager, you might not have all these adverts that I've just created myself. So, but for you, all you need to do is to click on Create, so that you just do like you are not creating an advert, but just do like you are creating an advert, so that I will show you where you can create your Facebook pixel just using this method. Okay. So once you are here already, just choose. Now, if you want to use Facebook pixel, you must use either lead or sales objective. If you use any other one, you might not require to use Facebook pixel. So I will just choose lead and then click on create, so that it will take me where I will be able to create the Facebook pixel instead of going to the ads, instead of going to the Event Manager. So very quickly, I am creating a new advert, and what I need to do is to come to this ad set column. That is the center, the second column there. So just come there and scroll. Now, in this conversion objective, you have to make sure that it's on website, not on instant form, not on messenger. It has to be on website. So once it's on website, you come here, you see the meta pixel is required to publish your to set up your pixel switch to a different option. What we need to do is simply click on create pixel. So we'll now put the pixel name. So for instance, my name is Paul. I can just use Paul. I mean, the name of the pixel does not really matter anyways, but you can put the name exactly how you want. So you can put your website here. Say for instance, Paul Chinedu. But if you don't have a website, just click on I don't have a website. Say for instance, paulchinedu.com. Okay, so click on check. Now you can click on I don't have a website if you don't have a website, and just click on continue. What will happen now is that you have created your Facebook pixel. So if we go to Event Manager, you have created your Facebook pixel already. So which is this Paul. Now we want to talk about how you can set it up on your website. So just go to Event Manager. You will be able to, that's where you are going to pick up a code and insert on your website. So let's go to Event Manager right away. So once we go to Event Manager, all you need to do is to come here and you see this data source. Just click on data source. It's going to show you that pixel that you have created. So just click on data source. You can see this Paul. You remember that we created this pixel with Paul. Okay, so that's the pixel, and then continue setup. Install code manually. Don't worry, these things are not tricky. Just install code manually, and you just see this copy code. Just click on that copy code. Click on that copy code. you are done for now. So what we need to do is go back to your website. Go back to your website. Now, in this install pixel, install plugin, you see this plugin here. If you have a WordPress website, just come to this plugin, come to add new plugin. Click on add new plugin. Click on add new plugin, right? Once you click on add new plugin, come here and come to this search plugin, insert header and footer. Insert header and footer, that is the name of the plugin. You can see it here, WP code. So click on install now. Click on install now. After installing, we are going to activate. So we'll activate it. It's just very simple, just follow me. After installing, you activate it. Once you have activated it, come down to this. You are going to see this snippet, code snippet, right? So you click on header and footer here. Click on header and footer. We just need to insert that code that we copied from Facebook, and we will be done. Now, for my own website, I already have code in the header, so I'm going to just insert it in the footer. Both of them work. So just Ctrl V if you are using a laptop, and you'll be able to insert your code in the footer. And then you click on Save Changes. We have created our pixel. You can see settings saved. We have created our pixel and we have inserted it on our website. So the next thing that we need to talk about is how do you make sure that you set up your tracking, so that when you are running an advert, when people come from the advert, it's going to be able to track. That's the next thing that we want to talk about right now. So for you to be able to set up your tracking properly, you need to have a landing page. Of course, let's say a landing page is the link of your landing page. You should know the link of your landing page. Say for instance that the link of my landing page is this. After getting the program, is this one. Let's say for instance the link of my landing page is 500 sales funnel. So let's say this is the link of my landing page. I just copied that link of my landing page and create a custom conversion with it. So I want to be able to track people that come to this landing page. Do you understand? So when people click on the advert and come to this landing page, I want to know how many people that landed on this landing page. One thing I need to do is to create a custom conversion with it. And how do you do that? Simply come back to this Event Manager. You see this custom conversion? Just click on custom conversion. Okay, click on custom conversion and click on create custom conversion. These things are very simple. So remember that I want to be able to see how many people that landed on landing page. So the name I'm going to give it is landing page view. Do you understand? Landing page view. So of course the data source is Paul, which is the pixel that I've created. Event or URL traffic. So come to this, select your new own category. Meta selected category, then you click on that drop down. Remember, landing page view is not how many people purchased, is not how many people became lead. Landing page view that I want to track. So what I'm going to be selecting is view content. If I wanted to track how many people that purchased, I can use purchase. If I wanted to track how many lead I've gotten, I can use lead. But I'm going to set up landing page view. Now, this is important because in every website you have two links. People need to go to the landing page first, read it, get interested before they now click on purchase your product, or before they now click and become lead. So the first custom conversion we are creating is we want to track people that go to the website. After we track people that go to the website, we now track people that go to the website and still became lead. Do you understand? So this particular first one, we use view content, and of course URL contains, then you now put the URL of the landing page. Once you do that, then you click on create, right? Once you do that, you click on create. Now we've created for the landing page. We want to ignore this inactive. I'll tell you what to do. We want to create for the people that have gotten the product. That means people that have purchased the product. So let's say for instance that chinedu.com/thank you. Let's say for instance that when after people purchased, they are going to land on the page that says thank you. I'm just using an instance now. They are going to land on the page that says thank you. So this one is thank you for your order. So I'm going to create a custom conversion with this link. Anybody that land on this page from Facebook, it simply means that that person came to the website, read it, got interested and purchased, and now the person is now in the thank you page. Do you understand? So let's go back and create custom conversion for the thank you page. Now the name is going to be what? Can you guess? The name is going to be purchase, because this one is people that are purchased. And then the data source is still the same. The URL event is all URL traffic, but the select category is now going to be purchase. Do you understand? It's now going to be purchased. So for the URL is now going to be thank you page link instead of the landing page link. Now once you have created these two, simply click on create. We now have two custom conversion. We now have two custom conversion. Let me quickly refresh this page. What I'm going to do is just look at this inactive. For this inactive to become active, I simply need to reload this page. Do you understand? I simply need to reload this page. Once I reload it, let me reload the second one too. This is the first one. Let me reload the second one. So you can just copy the URL and reload it in another browser. Do you understand? When I reload the second page, just look at what is going to happen to that inactive. I just want to show you something. See that it is inactive right now, and I have reloaded these two pages. What I need to do is to reload the event manager. It's going to immediately become active. It's going to immediately become active. And what that means is that our pixel has been set up. So you can see the landing page is now active. What that means is that our pixel has been set up, and when we run advert and track this landing page, Facebook is going to know exactly how many people came to that landing page from the Facebook ad. This is the only thing that we are trying to achieve, so that we'll be able to know exactly how many people came to the website, how many people purchased, how many people did not purchase, so that we can create custom conversion later on and retarget them. Does that make sense? I hope this makes sense. And if you want to learn more on Facebook adverts and lead generation, please subscribe to this channel, because I drop helpful content like this every single time. And make sure that you turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified every time that I drop content like this. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, place your comment and share this video so that your audience can find this very helpful. Thank you so much for staying through to the end, and I will see you in the next video.